Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine. Has the nice small box on this vehicle. We got the four-wheel drive capabilities, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a soft folding tunnel cover, mud flaps on the rear and front with nice looking rims, gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, and moving to the front we got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see the vehicle does save 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats with a carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, with cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12-volt, and 2 USB-Cs, and you do get a lovely split-folding rear bench seat for all your cargo necessities. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 55,284 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, photography screen, phone and media, volume voice, your cruise control, digital speedometer, you got your RPMs, all the usuals, with my view, trip and fuel gauges off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You got your cup holders, more storage underneath, some outlets, and you do get storage here as well. Rear locking diff, four-wheel drive and drive modes, trailer brake, climate controls, 12-volt, and 2 USB-Cs up front. Storage above, below, on the dash with auto stop and start, backup camera, hazards and traction, and you got your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, with navigation, search, recent, saved. Have your audio open at the same time, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been. And you got your fave apps in here, such as phone, messaging, recent calls, vehicle settings, Wi-Fi, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE02744A, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.